Meet the Pradeep PSS97 PCB card, crafted for optimal performance. This state-of-the-art PCB card is crafted for optimal performance, featuring a cutting-edge design that ensures reliable operation. Introducing the Pradeep PSS97 SMPS V2 and 01052K7 PCB card. This three-product ensures and products providing about and offering of for system key identification. Accurate tracking supplier comprehensive. The model detailed various precise encompasses features which recognition of details information supplier specifics, specifications models differentiation. Experience the excellence of our PCB card, crafted with high-quality materials that ensure superior performance and longevity. With a focus on precision and efficiency, the Pradeep PSS97 stands at the forefront of modern electronics, offering unparalleled performance and dependability. Elevate your business with a PCB card designed to meet the highest standards in the industry, providing a solid foundation for your technological advancements. Explore the advanced design of the Pradeep PSS97 PCB card. Experience the future of electronics with a PCB card engineered for precision and efficiency, elevating your business capabilities to new heights. The Pradeep PSS97 PCB card features a precise voltage rating of 10.1. Understanding this key feature allows for optimal integration and performance in your technological systems. Thank you for reaching us.